Fuel additives can be an effective tool for maximizing the performance and longevity of your vehicle. AMSOIL fuel additives are formulated to deliver powerful, tangible results. AMSOIL PI is a potent gasoline performance improver with concentrated detergent that aggressively cleans stubborn, power-robbing deposits from injectors, valves, and the combustion chamber. The result? Protection against compression loss, difficult starting, and rough idling. PI reduces carbon wrap when the deposit buildup causes the piston to hit the cylinder head. It decreases the possibility of engine knock, increases fuel economy, and helps restore power. While AMSOIL PI provides deep cleaning power, AMSOIL upper cylinder lubricant delivers keep clean action. Your engine's top end is sparsely lubricated and prone to the development of performance-robbing deposits. It's also highly susceptible to corrosion, an issue compounded by the prevalence of ethanol in fuel. AMSOIL upper cylinder lubricant is designed to solve those issues. Its AMSOIL exclusive, powerful formulation helps maximize engine power and performance while increasing engine life. For drivers who rely on diesel power, AMSOIL Diesel All-in-One features advanced chemistry that delivers concentrated strength to target internal diesel injector deposits and traditional carbonaceous deposits, helping restore horsepower and operability to like-new condition. AMSOIL Diesel All-in-One provides excellent protection against cold temperature gelling and delivers significant lubricity improvement in diesel fuels across the U.S. to protect fuel injectors and pumps. AMSOIL designs specialized products engineered for what you drive and how you drive. Try AMSOIL fuel additives to get the protection you demand and the performance you deserve.